The TXQSABER Darth Vader RGB Pixel Heavy Dueling Laser Sword is a must-have for Star Wars enthusiasts and cosplay aficionados. Designed for both intense dueling and immersive roleplay, this lightsaber combines durability with cutting-edge technology. Crafted with a robust aluminum metal hilt, it ensures a solid grip and authentic feel, perfect for recreating iconic battles or showcasing at events. The sleek design mirrors Darth Vader's legendary weapon, complete with intricate details that elevate its visual appeal. One standout feature is its vibrant RGB pixel blade, offering 12 customizable colors to match any mood or character. Whether you prefer the classic red of the Sith or a unique hue, the dynamic lighting effects bring the blade to life. The smooth swing sound technology enhances realism, delivering responsive audio feedback with every movement. For tech-savvy users, the saber integrates seamlessly with the ForcePark app via Bluetooth, available on iOS and Android, allowing precise control over light patterns, sound fonts, and motion sensitivity. Built to withstand rigorous dueling, the lightsaber includes a removable electronic kit for easy maintenance. Simply unscrew the grip to access internal components, making upgrades or repairs hassle-free. The package includes everything needed for assembly: a metal hilt, RGB blade, tool kit, charging cable, and a premium gift box. Choose between the super baselit RGB core for classic illumination or the SNV4 Pro Pixel core for advanced lighting effects.